Smart product collections are literally one of the best things about having a Shopify site that makes designing and selling your products so easy, but most people don't know how to use them in the best way possible. I'm going to show you that here in this quick and easy video because everyone who's on Shopify should be using Shopify Smart Collections. So what is a smart collection? It's a collection of your products based on some rules about how those products are tagged. Once you have them set up, and if you don't know how to set them up, I'll link to my other video, check that out. But once you have them set up, you can then use that collection of products anywhere you want throughout your site, which is what makes it so great. So let me show you how to do that. First, you're going to navigate to your online store, to your themes, and then go to your active theme, current theme, you'll see it right there in green, and click on Customize. Once this opens up, you're going to have a whole bunch of tools here. Now, for editing your template, my website only has one page, my Shopify site, because I sell just checklists, ebooks, things like that for my customers. But let's just say that I want to make sure that my small business customers can see my Yelp optimization collection, right? So what I'm going to do is click on Add Section, and this is going to exist on whatever page you have. You could even put it in the footer, header, but you probably want to put it in your main template. This blog post comes from that. But all you do is click on Add Section, and then you've got right here Featured Collection. Now, that is where you grab your collection. If you want to showcase all your collections, you can have a collection of collections that showcases there. I want to show Featured Collection. So I'm going to add that to the page. I can decide where this goes by just dragging it. So I'll just drag it right up here. Now you've got all these tools on the right-hand side that help you get it set up. So now with this collection, I've got my Yelp profile collection, right? And there's only a couple, so maybe I'll change this layout to like 2, just so it looks more full. But I do plan to have some more, so maybe I'll leave it at 4. We'll see. And then you've got all these tools for changing the styling, which is all over here. So you can select 1 or 2 columns. You can add a description. I'm going to say here, optimize your Yelp profile for success. Okay. Or I'll say, let's be a little more specific for local visibility, right? So then I say save, and now on my homepage of my website, now I've got a collection that's been added there of my products. So no matter if you're selling t-shirts or hats or whatever, and you've got these different collections and you're like, hey, I want to put a page on my site and I want to describe my hats, how I make them, why I started making hats, why my designs are unique. And then at the bottom of that page, put in a little strip of products that like of your hats. That's how you would use smart collections, and you can mix and match and throw them in anywhere you want on your site using this tool, which was what makes Shopify so great. You can create a collection of products. It's just a product collection, and then you put it anywhere you want on your site using this customized theme. So right now I'm on a home page. If I had more sites or more pages, I just switch to a different page. That's it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.